Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So yeah, this is a sad haul today. This is actually from Sunday at Dollar General clearance sale. But the rest of these deals are still valid, and it's just slow out there this week. Ibotta sucks right now. I literally got a $1 on 12 bonus again. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to bother doing a $1 on 12. It's not worth my time for an extra $1. Just not worth it. I only did 2 Ibotta deals here, the L'Oreal and the Crunchmaster, but everything else is Shopkick stuff and Checkout 51, and just coupons. So this was all a really great price. I'm thrilled with how much this all came to. So this at Dollar General was $2.62, and I wanted to make that money back. I didn't want to spend $2.62 at Dollar General, but I did get some good stuff there. And I made all that back between Walmart and stuff. And then Rite Aid was an awesome deal too over at Rite Aid. I love Rite Aid. Trying to get back into it. If Ibotta doesn't pick up, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to go back to Rite Aid or CVS or something because it needs to pick up. I'm really kind of disappointed. I do want to get back into CVS because Black Friday is coming, and I did go ahead and keep CarePass because I'm actually going to be switching pharmacies to CVS due to insurance. So I will get a $10 CarePass next week, I believe. And so maybe it's not next week. I feel like it's next week. I don't know. I have to look into that, but I'm definitely wanting to go back to CVS, try it again, and get ECBs for Black Friday, because I always love doing Black Friday at CVS. It's kind of a tradition. And maybe try to build up my stock on some other things like shampoo and body wash and stuff. All I seem to be getting with Ibotta, but at Walmart and stuff is these little stupid trial size. It's all I seem to get. And while trial size is great, I'd rather have the full-size stuff, but whatever. I don't know, but I have Ibotta picks back up, because as you all know, Ibotta is the store I really want to do. Like, Ibotta is the store. There's a lot of unique stuff here. So I was chasing the clearance thing at Dollar General on Sunday. I ran in this one after church. They had these. This is all over now, but I'll just go ahead and tell you anyways. These were 50% off. They were 45 cents. These were $2.70. I had a $2.50 coupons. They were 20 cents, and these hauls wound up being 22 cents after the coupons. So with taxes, all $2.62 at Dollar General. So like I said, I didn't want to pay $2.62 because I felt like that's too much. So I wanted to find overage today to cover that, and it worked out just fine. So here's the deal I did over at Rite Aid. Rite Aid's kind of decent. There's more stuff I'd like to get at Rite Aid this week. I haven't been back, but I'd like to go back. The Glad trash bags are an awesome deal. So they're $4.99 this week. So pick up 2 of them. That's $9.98. Thank you to Lisa and Ravi and I think Michelle posted about this. $9.98 for 2. So Rite Aid has 2 deals going. I believe one is a monthly deal and one is a weekly deal. So the weekly deal in the ad is get $5 in bonus cash when you buy 2 of these. So it takes $5 off, making it $4.98. There is a monthly deal to get $2 back on these. Okay, so you get like $5 for the weekly deal. You get $2 for the monthly deal with I think it has a limit of 2. So I'm going to get back $2 and $2. So I paid $9.98 and I got back $9, making it 98 cents for 2 things of trash bags. That is insane right there. That's crazy for trash bags. So awesome deal at Rite Aid on those. And I did do the Colgate. Now I did see this one from Michelle. She's the first one I saw it from. They're $3.99. There's an in-ad coupon for $2 off, so you pay $1.99. There's a $1 manufacturer coupon I used from a paper a few weeks ago. So I paid 99 cents out of my physical pocket, and I got back $1 in bonus cash. This was free. Love Rite Aid. And then a really nice person, I'm not going to give her name because I don't know if she wants that exposed on YouTube or not, but actually gave me a coupon for Walgreens. So this is at Walgreens now to get this for free. So literally just free. I paid 14 cents tax. I don't know if she knows about my videos or not, but thank you so much for giving me that coupon because this was 14 cents. So really appreciate that. That was a great deal. All right, so now the rest of this is Walmart. I didn't do Kroger. I thought about it, but I'll probably be there tomorrow for my videos, so I just didn't go today. This is all Money Making Mania at Walmart. So I just found one of these Ocean's Halo ramen broth. They're ringing up 25 cents. That's crazy. There's a $1 checkout 51, so I made 75 cents. The Frosted Flakes deal, these are 94 cents with $1.20 on Shopkick, so free plus Moneymaker. That deal comes constantly, and same with the almond butter finally reset for me after like a month. They're 98 cents. There's 300 kicks on Shopkick. That's like $1.20. This is the moneymaker for the almond butter. Crunchmaster was 50 cents. I had a 50-cent Ibotta, so just free. And then the L'Oreal eyeshadow right here is $1.50 at Walmart. just sitting in a clearance rack. And obviously, I don't use eyeshadow. I don't think I know anyone who will use this, but I'll just throw it away or donate it or something. But I got $2 from Ibotta, plus I had a 75-cent any Ibotta, so huge money maker right there. Huge. 75 cents for any item on Ibotta is awesome. Okay, now I did this in a separate transaction from this, and you're going to want to do that because there are 2 different offers for Suave Men. If you do them together, it'll most likely get booted out. So I did 2 transactions. So I did this separate. And there's a deal, get 1,100 kicks if you buy, okay, either a Suave, Axe, or Dove men's shampoo, a Suave, Axe, or Dove, no, that's not Suave. I think it's Degree, Axe, or Dove body wash, and a Suave, Axe, or Dove deodorant. So go to the trial section. This is what we seem to be doing. So this is 97 cents. This is 147. This is $1.97. That's like $4.30 something, and you get back basically $4.30 on Shopkick. So it's really like free. I paid 33 cents for all of it with tax. That's not too shabby. I like Axe and Dove, so why not? I had overage. Okay, and then this one was great. The Suave Kids right here was 97 cents. I had a Shopkick for 275 kicks. That was like $1.10. It's basically free. It's like 5-cent moneymaker. And then this is a good one of the Dove products. 800 kicks back when you buy 200 kicks each, I'm sorry. And then you get back an extra 400 kicks if you do them both together. So 800 kicks on suit. This one's 97 cents. That one's $1.97. Basically $3, and you're getting back, I don't know, 4, I think, something like that. I've shared this deal before, so I don't have the specifics. Like I said, these are repeats. This kind of stuff just all the time. I have a whole drawer filled with trial size products now, so great deal though on that. And then this on the Suave. Got 1 full size Suave, 1 not kitty Suave, 1 of the trial size Suave. That's 97 cents plus 284. No coupons, but I got back 25 skin kicks for this. And I got back, I believe it was, there's a bundle offer as well as 75 cents from Fetch. I just know these were a little bit of a moneymaker. I know that. I shared that in the last video. It's all worked into my final breakdown. So, okay, here's all the stuff I spent. Okay, so net and cash is different. Cash basis, I made 44 cents because I had a Rite Aid gift cards. I paid nothing out of pocket at Rite Aid at all. However, we don't count using gift cards and deals as what it really cost. It's just that's what I pay out of pocket. So out of my pocket, I actually gained 44 cents after getting all the rebates back. But true net cost in like store money and stuff was $1.39. So I'm thrilled with $1.39 for all this stuff. I'm even more thrilled that in cash, I have 44 cents extra in my pocket. But the true net cost of the deals was $1.39. But for all the trash bags and all that stuff at Dollar General and all this trial size stuff, I can handle a 30 or a 44 cent moneymaker for all that, or a cost of $1.39. Because my grandma and my great uncle, or not great uncle, my actual uncle, use Biotine. So yeah, great deals there. So yeah, that's all I got. Hopefully Friday there's more deals. Like it was crazy there for a while with Ibotta. I was going to the other Walmart because there were so many rebates, and just now there's nothing. I don't know what's up with Ibotta. But whatever. All right, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching.